Hey guys, and welcome to a review of the Hornby Class 73 in Southwest Trains livery. So first thing we're going to look at is the detail, and I wouldn't consider Hornby as one of the best for detail, but this model has really proved me wrong. If it would focus, you'd be able to see the detail of the riveting and the vents. Look at that bogie detail there. The springs. You got all the undercarriage stuff, the fuel pump or whatever it's called. And there you can see the riveting, the vent, and on the other side, dog air. So yeah, and on the roof, don't mind that, it's just a really old train, so there's some stuff missing. So yeah, anyway, the roof is lovely. Be nice to see a real fan in there that actually spins, but can't ask for everything. On the front of the train, you can see the warning for overhead wires, and then you got all the cables, windscreen wipers, and the destination blind, I think it's called. It's just a very nice train. Just look at the livery as well. I love the Southwest Trains livery. And it's a shame they're getting taken over. Plus the Southwestern Railway livery. Oh, I can't speak. Yeah, the Southwestern Railway livery is disgusting. I don't like it. It just seems bland and boring. And, you know, the blue, red and the white that used to be on the main bit with all of that red and orange stuff just looks so nice. Anyway, enough talking. I'm going to set the camera down and put this on the track. Oh, it's upside down. Bloody hell. Where is it? There it is. So the train is now on the track, and let's get it moving. So this is at quite a slow speed. Just adjust myself quick. And for a slow speed, it's still performing very well, especially for a DC loco. Oh, sorry about this, getting fingers all in the way. Let's just wait for it to come back around and get a shot of it going through the tunnel. Lovely. The only problem I really have with it is that there's no lights, but still, it's got lovely detail, so can't really fault it that much. Just pick the speed up a bit. Now I'm just going to stop it and get it going around the other way. Oh god. I'm just going to get to come round and stop it right here at the level crossing. There you have it, people. The Hornby Class 73 in Southwest Trains livery. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like, subscribe and comment. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.